You know, one of the commitments my wife and I made when we got married? Realizing the destructive power of negative words. The day we got married, right? We made a commitment to each other. We say, Lord, by your grace, we said to each other, that's a commitment. And by the way, that commitment is the single most important principle that is responsible for the marriage we have being every day a dating experience. That commitment, you know what it is? I'm going to tell you this. And make it that commitment in your marriage. We made a commitment the day we got married that as long as we live, we would never, ever, under no circumstance, at no time at all, and by no means, we would ever utter a negative word to each other, not even in the form of a joke. Amen. I agree we did not hit the target 100% of the time all the time, but we tried. After a while, it became second nature. And right now, friends, in our home, zero negativity. As a matter of fact, I even teach our children. We teach my children that in this home, as long as we live in this home, there is zero tolerance for negativity in any form. Amen. Friends, because of that now, guess what? Our home is a circus of celebration. I'm chasing my sons around the house. I'm holding him, I'm squeezing him, and he chased me back, and we're playing. My wife and I, my wife dances and she sings, and oh, amazing life. Marriage can still be beautiful. Amen? Amen. But the most important thing, friends, healthy communication skills. Amen? Amen. Of course, there's no perfect marriage. Are you with me? Every marriage needs prayer. My marriage needs prayer too. We have misunderstanding, we have disagreements. But guess what? Because we don't utter negative words with each other, it's so much easier to get back together. Amen? Whenever there's a disagreement.